So let's talk about an assembly line, okay?
All
because
right.
you told me something before camera rolled. What were you telling me?
Well,
Henry Ford who?
Yeah, copycat. So we had a assembly line going here at the Haskell & Barker Car Company. And so we called it a journey of a box car. So, you know, they would start at the foundries, and that's where they would build, you know, and melt everything down. And then we had over 800 employees working in that alone. And so then they would transfer those over to the ironworking. Then they'd go to the woodworking, then to the assembly shop, and the last stop was the paint shop. So you see, they were going from one thing to the next.
Assembly line.
Assembly line.
And that started before Henry Ford started his?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure, Michelle?
I am 100% sure.
Oh, she's so proud of this,
know.
too. That's great.
I am
It's great.
proud of it.
You should
I don't
be.
think people know this. That we have our wall of employees. So there was 3 generations of Rogers that worked here. Now Nathaniel Rogers and John H. Barker were very close. And Nathaniel Rogers had built a home across the way. And John H. Barker asked him, how much did you pay for that? And he said $19,000. And John H. Barker wrote him a check and said, you are a wonderful employee.
Here's a house.
Here's a house on me.
So nice.
And the Haskell & Barker Car Company gave their employees pensions, which was very unheard of at that time.
Yeah.
And then what happened was when Pullman purchased Haskell & Barker, all those employees lost their pensions. So there's a story that one of the wives had written to Catherine Barker, the daughter.
With a C.
Yes, very good. That you know, her husband was ill, they had no money, and so Catherine Barker started an annuity fund and gave all those employees, Haskell & Barker employees, their pensions back. And when the last one was paid off, she started the Barker Welfare Foundation, which is still in existence today.
Still going today.
Yes.